Outside of this one church town, there's a gold dirt road to a whole lot of nothing. Got a deed to the land, but it ain't my ground. This is God's country. We pray for rain and thank Him when it's falling, 'cause it brings a grain and a little bit of money. We put it back in the plate, I guess that's why they call it God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. We turn the dirt and work until the week's done. We take a break and break bread on Sunday, then do it all again, 'cause we're proud to be from God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. God's country. I don't care what my headstone reads or what kind of pine wood box I end up in. When it's my time, lay me 6 feet deep in God's country. I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country. Yeah, I saw the light in a sunrise, sitting back in a 40 on the muddy riverside, getting baptized in holy water and shine with the dogs running. Saved by the sound of a pin-found Dixie whistle in the wind, that'll get you heaven bound. The devil went down to Georgia, but he didn't stick around. This is God's country.
Yeah, I grew up 10 minutes from the sticks, 10 minutes from the beach, and there ain't a Bible verse, y'all, I ain't heard a preacher preach. Mom and Dad up in the bleachers, screaming while I pitch, being deep on the speakers while I'm riding around town with my best friends. Ain't life like a whirlwind? 1 second I'm playing checkers with grandma, then my world is. I used to hear my granddaddy say, before it's too late,
you gotta dig your roots before the sun goes down. Show some love back to your hometown. Fall in love, plant some seeds, carve some names in the family tree. Raise your kids, love your wife, put God first just to live your life. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go and get a little more dirt on my boots. You gotta dig your roots. Tattooed, feather in the wind. Yeah, a good old boy, just like my old man. Every night when I'm singing, I know he's looking down. Up there next to Paw, got the best seats in the house. When I close my eyes, I can still hear him say the same thing I'm gonna tell my kids. You gotta dig